Hi, my name is Lilia Islas, and I'm going to talk about the project, the experiment, and the conclusion. So, the experiment and the project itself was about finding an eco friendly cleaning product as well as two other normal daily use cleaning products to experiment with them and find the one that was better. By this, I mean which which cleaning product would be better to use, if either the eco-friendly product or the normal not eco-friendly generic and the one we usually use in our lives. So our research question was, which cleaning technique determines the effectiveness of the clothing detergents Persil, Roma, and Ace? So we focused our experiment on determining which form of cleaning was better and which soap was better to use. So we ended up with our hypothesis, which is if we use different cleaning methods with the three different detergents, then the outcome of the stain will change because the stain will have a different response with each method and detergent. This means that we had different variables. We had controlled variables, which was the amount of water and the type of cloths we used to stain them. And then we have the dependent variable, which was the efficiency of each detergent by looking at the results of each method of cleaning. And then finally, we had the independent variable, which was the concentration of the detergent, how much detergent we applied in the water, how much detergent we used to clean the cloth. Later, with the experiment, we did different tests, which was first we used buffalo sauce, we crafted sauce and stained the cloth. Then we use soy sauce on another cloth, and another cloth we use mustard. So for these different stains on these different cloths, we use different detergents. On the buffalo sauce, we use Ace. And then on soy sauce, we used Roma, which was the eco-friendly detergent. And then on the mustard stain, we used Persil. So what we did was take the cloth, the different kinds of stained cloth, dunk them underwater, and then apply the detergent that each of the stains were meant to have. And then we let them rest for a little bit, so let them soak, and then with another stained cloth, we cleaned them manually with the detergents that they were meant to have. So later we could finally conclude that the results of the experiment was that the soy sauce stain with the detergent of Roma was the better outcome. So in the sinking method of the soy sauce stain, the water immediately drained and just absorbed out the soy sauce stain, which is basically why it was so easy to clean. Now, my final reflection of the entire project. I have learned the importance of observation. The scientific method begins with observation, which is the foundation of the scientific inquiry. Careful and systematic observation is necessary to identify patterns, generate hypotheses, and develop theories. Also, I learned that the value of skepticism. Also, I have learned that the value of skepticism is really important while doing research and an experiment, as well as how the scientific method helps us rule out false misconceptions and assumptions regarding the outcome of the experiment. I think all these things I've learned is helpful in my daily life because it is present when understanding cause and effect relationships, solving problems, making informed and smart decisions, as well as improving my critical thinking skills. I also think that some rules to follow in an experiment to ensure safety and properly waste disposal should be to wear appropriate gear, to do the experiment in a ventilated area, and handle chemicals with care, as well as properly dispose the chemical waste and clean up very thoroughly. As I said before, I think I can apply this information I've learned in my daily life. Greenwashing was not something I was very acknowledged of earlier before, but now that I've done this project, I really enjoyed it and I will definitely use green-friendly materials again. My multicultural approach is that a change in attitude can do many things to reduce waste. To firstly apply the 4 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse, and achieve an SDG, yet another SDG that we need to achieve we need to complete all the goals before 2030. I think this can better help up the situation of global warming as well, and in general, all the alert signs that we are seeing since way before from our planet to change and to save our Earth. I think the most important factor of this project was learning about eco-friendly cleaning products, since non-eco-friendly cleaning products can have a long cycle of how it can end up damaging us and the environment. I think that to promote solutions to help the environment, we need to start from scratch and create solutions to small problems, since these can later affect us more gravely. And so, by creating innovative solutions, little by little, we are adding a grain of salt to saving our Earth. Thank you.